Hey guys, it's your girl Mimi here. Is your garage collapsing? Let's talk about it. Do you see how easy that was to push it? That's because of girl power and Mimi.
Thank you, Mimi, for the intro. Just want to let you guys know the garage. So this is definitely an older home, and the older home, it was a carriage house. So I want you to explain the carriage house. The carriages would come in here, and the horses and the stables would be here as well. And then in the top portion would be an area where they would store hay. So this was the carriage house. Behind me is the main house. They converted it into a 3-car garage. In the 3-car garage, since we're on a long slopey hill, all the water has come in and destroyed the beam. So there's a beam that goes across here, and then this is the old style beam, which is actually almost like an 8x8 beam. So we're gonna remove all this cedar siding, and after we remove all the cedar siding, we're gonna see and determine what's the damage on the inside, right? So we already see, if you can see, it dips here, and all the rainwater comes down here. We're gonna be installing a drain here in the driveway to divert the water when it really pours down, to divert the rainwater and then put them into a dry well. Also, we're gonna do the roof and gonna change the gutter as well. But before you do a video, you turn off your phone. That's what you do. So before we remove the siding, before we remove before we, how can I, 3, 2, 1. Before we remove the siding, and we replace the beam, for the homeowners that are following me, this is what you need to do. Before we go in, I wanted to tell you there was a twofold, situation that was causing the damage to the beam. One, it was this leaky gutter. So the gutter is actually supposed to be pitched to the left and pitched to the right. And then you have these 2 downspouts, right? So what happens is that it's actually sinking right here, and the water would just overflow. And in overflowing, the rainwater would come here. And then when it would pour rain, it would come down the slope of this driveway and then go underneath here, right? Obviously, there's a little slope here to the left, and there's one a little bit to the right, but the main rainwater would come in this direction and would flood the garage. We're gonna take care of all that today. So right here is where the beam is at. So if you look right here, there's a flinch plate. So they sandwich the 2 beams together with a flinch plate so it gives strength, and it runs from right to left. If you see it, it goes all the way straight across. So it's sagging. That's why this is sagging, because all the rainwater, like I said before, is coming down. Now that we had a garage door guy come in, he removed all the garage doors. Where are they at? They're right here. All the garage doors are right there. And then now we're gonna jack this up. We need something strong, like almost like a 20-ton, to jack it up, hold it in place, and then put a new 6x6 right under the beam that runs straight across, and then brand new 2x4s. After we do that, what's gonna happen is we're able to cover everything with brand new plywood, and then the siding, and then finally we will install the roof and the gutters. So at least you guys can see, and I take the time to see. How long do you think it's been going on?
This started, I want to say, maybe around 2014.
2000,
After the effects of Sandy.
after the effects, little by little, right? Little by little, because you just finished doing the driveway. The driveway is like not even 6 months, some like
a year old.
a year old. Okay, so but that's been going on, and now that we removed the siding, we can see the effects of the rainwater coming down. We're gonna be adding a drain here, so in the future, rainwater will run alongside, and then it goes into a dry well. So guys, if you're watching this and you're a homeowner, these are the effects of rainwater, right? And thank God nothing collapsed. We caught it on time, and we're gonna replace this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the campanita. Keep watching.